Hi Shoebox friends! Easter is just around the corner, and this week I'm packing 6 boxes for Easter. While they may not be filled with the traditional bunnies or chicks, they're bursting with resurrection joy in their own special way. You won't want to miss what's inside, so let's go. When I think about Easter, one of the first images that comes to mind is little girls in their Sunday best twirling around in beautiful dresses. I've actually had 6 gorgeous dresses hanging in my closet for a while now. I picked them up last summer on clearance at Walmart for just $3 each. They're so lovely with their soft tulle skirts and pretty pastel shades of blue, purple, and pink. These dresses are going to be the wow items for the 6 girl boxes. I have 3 dresses in size 10 to 12 that I'll pack for the 5 to 9 age group, and 3 dresses in size 14-16 for the oldest age group. Most of my boxes typically head to African nations and often arrive right around Easter. So even though these are technically Christmas boxes, I think they'll be just perfect. So let's get packing these Easter dress boxes. And a big thank you to Anna Beth at Sending Shoeboxes for these beautiful lid designs. They are perfect for the theme, and even the colors match the dresses. The first items that I'm adding into the shoeboxes are these cross-shaped wooden ornaments that I found at Hobby Lobby. They were $1.79 for a 12-pack, and I'm pairing each of them with a set of markers so that the child can color her cross. I'm also including some Christian-themed stickers to make it extra special. Here are my 6 finished craft packs, each one with a wooden cross, a set of markers, and some fun Christian-themed stickers. I think these make a bright and fun addition to these Easter-themed boxes. Next up, I'm putting together the pencil pouches. You'll notice that I'm using the cool pastel color theme of the dresses with some of these other items. I'll be adding in beautiful butterfly slap bracelets. Butterflies symbolize new life and a new creation, which I love for these resurrection boxes. I also have both butterfly and flower stencils for a touch of spring fun. Then, of course, I'm adding the important school supplies like pencils, pens, sharpeners, and colorful cap erasers. Let's get these cheerful springtime pencil packs assembled. I'm laying the pouches flat at the bottom of the box with the cross craft set on the side. I'll save adding the sharpeners and erasers for the end, filling in any small spaces with them to make the most of the available room. I already had some hygiene items packed. They have these soft washcloths, combs, and toothbrushes. I'm lining these down the other side of the box to help maximize space in the middle. Here's how they're looking so far. And for the back side of the shoeboxes, I'll be adding some cheery yellow notebooks for school supplies. I've got both the Staples and Pen & Gear brands. I also printed out some lovely free Easter-themed coloring pages off the site raiseyoursword.com. Again, I love the springtime butterflies and flowers, and the designs were simply beautiful. I also have some pretty stickers featuring different flower arrangements, as well as some skateboard-style Christian stickers with different sayings and verses. I'll be adding an assortment of these stickers to each shoebox, slipping them inside the front cover of the notebooks, as well as the coloring pages. It'll be an extra little surprise to brighten the child's day, and it should help protect the stickers during shipment. Okay, here are my boxes so far. I've got all the sides lined with items, and now I'm going to start filling in the middle. For my wow dress, since it's a bit bulky with that larger tulle skirt, I'm going to roll it up and secure it with a rubber band to help consolidate it a bit better. It should fit perfectly right in the middle of the shoebox. And for a fun larger toy, I've got these adorable purple and pink walking geckos. I found them for just $1 each last year at Walmart. And when you push the button on their back, They start walking in a very funny way. I think these will definitely bring lots of giggles and joy to the child receiving this box. The geckos do require extra AAA batteries, so I'm going to include a pack of batteries along with a little screwdriver that I found on Amazon. This way the child will be able to enjoy her walking toy for even longer without any interruptions. So I just need to add these little guys in, and they fit better lying on their backs. And now I need to just add some special jewelry to go along with the Easter dresses. Each shoebox will be getting a pastel colored cross necklace to match the dresses. For my 3 boxes for the 10 to 14-year-olds, I'll be adding these colorful soft clay beaded bracelets with crosses. The 3 boxes for the 5 to 9-year-olds will get these pretty beaded bracelets. Each are a little bit different, but still coordinate perfectly with the colors of the dresses. I recently found these mini glitter purses on clearance online at Walmart, and I think they'll make the perfect sparkly container to hold the jewelry for the little girls. Another special item for the older girls are these compact mirrors with a folding brush inside. They tuck easily into the shoebox and are a nice quality item that I think the girls will really enjoy. And just a note, mirrors like these are totally fine to include as long as they're inside a compact with a lid. For the younger girls, I'm including these adorable sunglass cases with matching sunglasses. This is another fun summer clearance find from last year. Each one has its own unique style. There's a pink sparkly butterfly case, a fluffy blue unicorn, and a rainbow cloud design that actually matches the bracelet perfectly. I'm taking the sunglasses out of their original packaging and placing them inside the cases to save space in the box. I just love how these boxes are coming together with the dresses and accessories. I can already picture these sweet girls wearing their beautiful dresses with their jewelry and sunglasses, feeling so special and loved. It really brings joy to my heart thinking about the smiles these boxes will bring. I have one more larger item to tuck on top of the boxes, these pretty purple flip-flops that I grabbed on sale for $1 last year at the end of summer. I love the shade of purple, and I think they'll go beautifully with the dresses and really tie the whole look together. Now I'm adding in the extra little school supply packs and battery packs, and then it's time for those final touches, some smaller filler toys to add that extra bit of fun and make these boxes feel nice and full. Each box will be getting a jump rope as an extra fun toy, as well as a squishy globe ball, because God so loved the whole world, a pair of pink or purple scissors, as well as a set of brightly colored cutlery. And also for the older girl boxes, I was able to tuck in an extra light up yo-yo since those boxes didn't have the larger sunglasses case. We've got the full and the fun. Now it's time to add that special personalized touch. I'm using these pretty note cards to write a handwritten note to each child, and I'm also including our typed letter with a photo. It's such a simple way to remind them that they're seen, known, and loved, and who knows, maybe I'll get to hear back from one of these sweet girls next year. And that wraps up these Easter dress shoeboxes for 6 special little girls. I hope they have inspired you with some new ideas for your own packing, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a blessed Easter holiday celebrating our risen Lord, and I'll be away next weekend for the holiday, so there won't be a new video next Sunday. But I'll see you in a couple of weeks, and until then, God bless you in your shoebox packing. Bye!